Here we have my Dar working on his box. How's your box? How's your box? Is it fun? Are you tearing up your box? I love you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Now I have oatmeal on my shoulder. Ow! Oatmeal! Don't bite me. Get back. Get back. Thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, get the box. Get the box. I love you. My Dar. What are you doing? Oh, you love the camera. Oh, my gosh, you love the camera. My Dar. And the box. What? There goes your box. I love you. Will you talk to me? Will you talk to me, my Dar? Dar in the box. Okay. Alright, well, we'll say, hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. There's my beautiful Bella. Oh, yes. Bella, will you go upside down? Don't bite me. Come here. Let's go upside down. Go upside down, Bella. There's my Bella upside down. There's my Bella upside down. Here's a peanut, Bella. Put your peanut on your foot. Hold your peanut. Oops. There's a peanut. Ow! Oatmeal, bite me on the neck. Get down, Oatmeal. Help! 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 I'm getting attacked by birds. Oh, gosh! Oatmeal bit me on the neck. Gotta get... Watch out and not get too close to Oatmeal. Get back, Oatmeal. This is it. You are bad. Oatmeal, Oatmeal, Oatmeal. What are you doing? Oatmeal, what are you doing? And Blue, you're making a mess. What am I going to do today? Help me. Help me. My birds are going crazy. They're going crazy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bella, you're the best one. Yes, you are. All right. All right, all you crazy birds. Oatmeal. Say bye-bye. Where's Buster? What are you doing? Quit it. Stop it. Stop it. All right. You bit me on the neck. You're in trouble. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.